Hello and welcome to our channel. We're all about exploring sustainable solutions for the modern home, and today we have something truly exciting for you. Have you ever considered using the power of the sun to light up your home? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to take you through the whole process of installing a solar photovoltaic system, better known as a solar PV system, with the help of the experts at Energy Rating Limited UK. This is a company that specializes in providing efficient solar PV system installations, and they are committed to helping homeowners like you make a big step towards sustainability. So, if you're ready to learn more about this incredible technology and how it can benefit your home, keep watching as we dive into the details. Let's get started. Ever thought about harnessing the sun's energy to power your home? But how does it work? And what does the process involve? Let's talk about it. Solar energy, the radiant light and heat from the sun, is harnessed using a range of ever-evolving technologies, like solar photovoltaic systems, or solar PV systems for short. These systems convert sunlight into electricity you can use to power your home. Here in the UK, an experienced and reliable company specializing in this is Energy Rating Limited UK. They are committed to providing efficient solar PV system installations, helping homeowners take a giant leap towards sustainability. From initial site surveys to designing a system that suits your needs and budget to the final installation and testing, they've got it all covered. So, ready to learn more about this fascinating technology? Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of installing a solar PV system. Step 1, the site survey. What happens during this crucial first step? Well, it's all about assessing the suitability of your property for a solar PV installation. This is where a qualified solar installer like Energy Rating Limited UK steps in. They'll visit your property to evaluate various factors. These include the orientation and tilt of your roof, the amount of sunlight your property receives, and any potential obstructions like tall trees or buildings. They'll also check the condition of your roof to ensure it can support the weight of the solar panels. Why is this step so important? Because it helps to ensure that your solar PV system will be as efficient as possible, maximizing your energy savings and environmental impact. And remember, a well-conducted site survey by experienced professionals like those at Energy Rating Limited UK is the first step in a successful solar journey. A thorough site survey lays the groundwork for successful solar PV system installation. Step 2, system design. How does Energy Rating Limited UK design a solar PV system to meet your needs? Well, it all starts with a deep understanding of your unique energy needs, along with a keen consideration of your budget. Energy Rating Limited UK takes into account the size of your property, how much sunlight it receives, and your average energy consumption. They also consider the orientation of your roof, the angle of installation, and the type of solar panels best suited for your property. But it's not just about technical aspects. They also take into account your budget. Solar PV systems are a significant investment, and Energy Rating Limited UK is committed to designing a system that gives you the best return on your investment. At the end of the day, it's all about creating a system that's efficient, effective, and economical. A well-designed system is key to maximizing the benefits of solar energy. Scene script. Step 3, installation. What does the installation process involve? Well, the turning point in your solar journey is the installation itself. It's where all the planning and design come to life. When the day arrives, a team of experienced professionals from Energy Rating Limited UK will be there, ready to transform your roof into a personal power station. Don't worry, they won't be there for long. The whole installation process typically takes just 1 to 2 days. Quite swift, isn't it? Let's dive into what happens during these 2 days. The first task is to mount the solar panels onto your roof. This is an intricate process that requires precision and expertise. The team meticulously positions each panel to ensure they are securely fixed and optimally angled to catch the sun's rays. Once the panels are in place, it's time to wire them up. This involves connecting the panels to an inverter, which is essentially the heart of your solar PV system. The inverter's job is to convert the direct current generated by the solar panels into alternating current, which is the type of electricity used in your home. The wiring part of the process also includes setting up a monitoring system. This allows you to track the performance of your solar PV system in real time. You can see how much electricity your panels are producing and how much you're saving on your energy bills. It's a great way to keep an eye on your investment. Throughout the installation, The team takes great care to maintain the integrity of your property. They work efficiently and cleanly, making sure to leave your home just as they found it. Only now with the added benefit of solar power. Once everything is set up and wired correctly, the installation is complete. But it doesn't end there. The team will take the time to walk you through how your new system works and answer any questions you might have. They want to ensure you're comfortable with your new solar PV system and confident in its operation. The installation process is quick and straightforward, typically taking just 1 to 2 days. But remember, those 2 days could lead to decades of clean, renewable energy for your home. What a fantastic investment in your future, and the planet's future too. Scene script. Step 4, testing and commissioning. Why is this step important? After the solar PV system is securely installed, we enter a crucial phase, testing and commissioning. This is where we ensure that the system is functioning correctly, efficiently, and most importantly, safely. Here's what happens. The team from Eco Energy Rating Limited UK conducts a series of tests. They check the output of the solar panels, ensuring that they are producing the correct amount of electricity. They also verify that the inverter, which converts the solar energy into usable electricity, is functioning as it should. Then comes the commissioning part. This is where we interface with your electricity company. We ensure that the newly installed solar PV system is correctly integrated with your home's existing electrical infrastructure. This is also the time when we set up the system to feed excess electricity back into the grid, if applicable. Testing and commissioning ensures your solar PV system is working properly and safely. You've installed your solar PV system, but what are the benefits? A solar PV system isn't just about the cutting-edge technology or the thrill of harnessing the power of the sun. It's about the real, tangible benefits that come with it. One of the most immediate and noticeable benefits of installing a solar PV system is the reduction in your energy bills. By generating your own electricity, you're less reliant on the grid, which can lead to significant savings. In fact, some homeowners have reported decreases of up to 70% in their electricity bills after installing solar PV systems. Beyond the financial savings, installing a solar PV system can also significantly increase the value of your property. Homes equipped with solar energy systems are seen as more desirable and future-proof, which can translate into a higher selling price if you ever decide to move. But it's not just about the money. Solar PV systems also allow you to generate your own clean, renewable energy. This means that you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a healthier, more sustainable planet. By using solar energy, you're helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major contributor to climate change. For those who are environmentally conscious, the benefits of a solar PV system extend beyond just your home. By reducing your reliance on fossil fuels, you're also helping to decrease air and water pollution, preserve natural resources, and promote biodiversity. Lastly, by installing a solar PV system, you can benefit from the Smart Export Guarantee. This is a government scheme that pays you for the excess electricity that your solar panels generate and feed back into the grid. It's another way that solar energy can pay off in the long run. Solar PV systems offer a host of benefits, making them a worthwhile investment for homeowners. Whether it's saving money, increasing the value of your property, or contributing to a healthier planet, there's no denying that the advantages of solar energy are too significant to ignore. Having discussed the benefits of solar PV systems, let's not forget about their maintenance and potential troubleshooting. Maintaining your solar PV system is crucial to ensure its longevity and efficiency. Typically, solar panels require little maintenance, thanks to their durable design. They can withstand harsh weather conditions, and since they don't have moving parts, there's less chance of mechanical failure. However, it's still important to inspect your system regularly. Check for any dust, debris, or snow that might be covering the panels and reducing their efficiency. If you find any, you can usually clean it off with a garden hose. But remember, safety first. If your panels are high up or hard to reach, it's best to hire a professional cleaner. Beyond the panels themselves, you should also monitor your energy usage and system performance. Most solar PV systems come with monitoring software that allows you to track the amount of electricity your system is generating and consuming. If you notice a significant drop in performance, it could be a sign of an issue. In that case, it's best to contact a professional for troubleshooting and repairs. Common issues can range from wiring problems to inverter failure, But with proper care and regular inspection, these can be easily managed. Keep in mind that most solar PV systems come with a warranty, often covering you for 20-25 years. That's a long-term assurance of your system's performance and a testament to the confidence manufacturers have in their products. So, with a bit of attention and care, your solar PV system can continue to provide you with clean, renewable energy for many years to come. We've learned a lot today about solar PV systems and their installation. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered in our journey together. Solar PV systems installation is a straightforward process when handled by professionals like Eco Energy Rating Limited UK. It all begins with a detailed site survey where the suitability of your property for solar PV installation is assessed. Once the site's potential has been established, a system is designed tailored to your specific needs and budget. Remember, in most cases, you won't need planning permission to install a solar PV system on your property, but it's always good to check, especially if you live in a listed building or conservation area. The installation process itself is quick, typically taking just 1 to 2 days. Eco Energy Rating Limited UK mounts the solar panels on your roof and wires them to the inverter, ensuring your system is ready to start harnessing the power of the sun. Once installed, the system is tested and commissioned to ensure it's working correctly. This includes making sure the system is properly registered with your electricity company. We also discussed how solar PV systems work. They convert sunlight into electricity using photovoltaic cells, which contain semiconductor materials that absorb sunlight and generate an electric current. The latest technologies in the industry, such as perovskite solar cells, bifacial solar panels, and solar microinverters, promise even greater efficiency and reliability. But why are solar PV systems not just sufficient, but necessary in the UK? Well, the UK receives an average of over 1,000 hours of sunshine per year. That's a lot of potential for solar energy. The benefits of solar PV systems are numerous. They can reduce your energy bills, generate your own clean electricity, reduce your carbon footprint, increase the value of your property, and allow you to benefit from the Smart Export Guarantee. Solar energy is a powerful and renewable source of energy. With companies like Eco Energy Rating Limited UK, installing a solar PV system is easier than ever. The future is bright, and it's powered by the sun.